Meatball.
Hey, come back. More pets. Oh, shit. Oi. No grip. This is how it's supposed to look. Never mind, I don't have it. This is how it's supposed to look. Woo! We. In 7th grade, 12 years old, 2010s. Man should be done now. What do I do every day? Well, you see, I play video games every day. As a suppressed teenager, I use video games to my understanding of comfortness and safety, amongst everything else in life. What the fuck? We got a cat.
What's up, Meatball? What's wrong?
Do you want toy? What? I don't want pizza. No, no, no. I want something that requires milk.
Mates Brandon, Liam, and Jamal as it is Brandon's birthday. As Eggsy is set to meet Tilda's parents the next night, he asked his friends to watch his...
It's the life of a suppressed teenager. Let's go. And he actually was adopted.